Hey peeps, it's Jedd here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to deal with a financial mathematics question, and with that in mind, let's dive straight in. So Sipho invested 30,000 Rand for 6 years. The investment earned an interest rate of 12% per annum compounded monthly for the first 2 years. Thereafter, the interest rate changed to 10.8% per annum, compounded semi-annually for the rest of the period. Calculate the value of the investment at the end of 6 years. No other transactions were made on the account. So the very first thing I would do here is let's draw out a timeline. So at the very beginning, what do we know? So we know that Sipho invested 30,000 Rand, okay, right at the start. And that was for a period of 6 years, okay? So we know that it was for a period of 6 years. The investment earned an interest rate of 12% per annum for the first 2 years. So if we look at T2, we know that the interest rate there was going to be 12%, and that was compounded monthly. Okay, so that's very important. Right. Thereafter, the interest rate changed to 10.8% per annum compounded semi-annually for the rest of the period. So for the remaining 4 years, we know that it was 10.8%, and that was compounded semi-annually, and that was for the rest of the period. All right. Okay, so now we've got all the information out in front of us, and we can look to solve this question. So we're going to say that our accumulated amount at the end of the 6 years would be the 30,000 Rand that Sipho put in at the beginning. Then we're going to increase that for the 2-year period at the 12% compounded monthly. So that is going to be 1 plus 0.12 over the 12. So that gives us our nominal amount. And then that was for how many periods? It's going to be 2 times 12, which gives us 24 months. Okay. And then that is going to give us the amount at that point. Now we need to grow the amount for another 4 years at the 10.8% compounded semi-annually. So that's going to be 1 plus 0.108. We need to divide that by 2 because we're compounding twice a year. And that's for another 4 years. So that's going to give us 8 periods. We're going to then plug that into our calculator, and we're going to get a total amount of 58,017 Rand, 51 cents. So very important how you understand, or that you understand how to put together that timeline, because once that's done, it's a very simple process to get to the answer, and that's a really well-deserved 4 marks. Massive thank you to our sponsor for making this video possible. Read all about them in the description below. Remember to head over to our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find the answer to your question, send us the question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Until the next time, stay epic.